In December 2019, China notified the World Health Organization of several cases of human respiratory illness, a disease later named COVID-19. The virus causing this disease is known as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease spreads through small droplets that are expelled from the nose or mouth when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. Therefore, standing close to someone who is infected can put you at risk. These droplets can land on your hand and be transmitted through something as simple as a handshake, if afterwards you touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, the so-called T-zone. The virus is known to survive on different types of surfaces, so touching these contaminated surfaces and then touching your T-zone brings a high risk of infection. What we know so far: the coronavirus is spherical in shape, and its genetic material is encapsulated by different types of proteins. Some of the key structural ones are spike S protein, the most prominent feature of coronaviruses from where they get their name, then M, or membrane protein, and the so-called envelope protein.
Very good morning to all of you dear students. I hope you are having good health. Today's class, chapter 16, data handling, exercise 16.1, question number 1. So question: the weight in kg in kilogram of members of a society were recorded as. यहाँ जो weight given है members of society की members हैं, इनका weight है यहाँ पर जो कि यहाँ recorded किया गया है, और में से कुछ मेंबर्स हैं जो 80 केजी, 35 केजी, 45 केजी एंड ये डेटा हमें इसमें गिवन है. ओके, एंड मैथमेटिक्स की बुक अपने पास रख के बैठे और उसमें ये डेटा गिवन है, डेटा को नोट कर लें और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर ये क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व करवाएंगे. बिकॉज यहाँ हो सकता है कि थोड़ा सा मतलब डेटा इधर हो जाए, लेकिन so that क्वेश्चन हमें यहाँ फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, इसे किस फॉर्म में इसको पढ़ना है. ओके, सो अरेंज द डेटा इन टेबुलर फॉर्म. जो भी डेटा गिवन है इस डेटा को हमें फॉर्म टेबुलर फॉर्म में से रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, टेबुलर फॉर्म मींस बॉक्स फॉर्म करेंगे एंड मेक द टैली मार्क्स, एंड इसको हमें टैली मार्क्स से भी रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, टैली मार्क्स टेबल. सो लुक हियर, टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स मींस number of members of weight. So you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So total number of terms. Total number of terms is equal to 52. Okay? Total number of terms यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 52. And arrange the data in tabular form. So weight in kg of members. So weight of members in kg. Okay, and tally marks and frequency. Okay, so then weight of members in kilogram. So lowest quantity in this given data 35, 25 and 30. So lowest quantity in given data 25. Okay, so 25. How many times of 25 in given data? So then 3 times. Okay, so frequency this is 3 and telemarks 1 2 3. Next quantity 25 just greater than 30. 30, how many times of 30 in given data? So 30 1, only one time. Okay, so frequency of 30 is 1. So this is indicated by telemarks only 1. Okay, next 30, next just greater than 40. Sorry, 35 we have 35. So then 35, how many outcomes of 35 in given data? 1 2 3 4 times. Okay, so frequency of 35 4 times, so indicated by telemarks 1 2 3 and 4. Next just greater than number of bit of 1 2 3 3 times. Okay, 40 is 3 times 3, so telemarks 1 2 3. Okay, next 45 we have 45 is also here. 45 easy bit we have numbers. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 times. So frequency of 45 is 5. So 1 2 3 4 diagonally across 1 to 4. Okay, bunch of 5 of telemarks. Next quantity 50. So 50, how many times of 50 in given this data? So 51 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 times. Okay, so 50 is 10 times, so 10, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, next 55. So 55 albums of here 1 2 times, only 2 times. So 55 is 2 times, so 1 2. Okay, next 60. 60, count here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Last 6. 60 also is here 6 times. So 6. So 6 we can represent by telemarks 1 2 3 4 5 and this is 6. Next 65. No outcome of any 65 given this data. Next 70. 65 is data में given नहीं है. Okay, 65. Next data 70. 1 2 3 4 5 times 70. So 70 frequency is 5 represented by telemarks 3 4 and this is 5. Next 75 is also here in this given data. Member of weight. So 75 outcome is here 1 time So 1 2. Okay, next 80 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. Okay, so 80 is here, 8 10. Now यहाँ स्पेस शॉर्टेज है स्पेस की. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर यही वाले आगे यहाँ पर ये सॉल्व करना. ओके, सो 80 frequency, 10 marks and a bit of member. Okay, bit of member. 80 8 times frequency, so we can represent it by 10 marks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, next 85 is not here. Next 90. How many times of 90 in this data? 1 2 3 times. Okay, 3 times 90 is here, 3 times, so 1 2 3. Okay, so total number of terms is 52. 3 1 4 4 8 8 or 3 11 16 26 28 34 39 41 41 8 49 49 और 3 52. So टोटल इसका नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स यहाँ पर जो आ रहा है इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी का कितना आ रहा है 52. इन सभी को जब ऐड करोगे तो यहाँ कितना होगा 52. ओके, सो pause the video, noted it, and I hope you are understand. Okay, so noted it. Dear students, next question number 2 from exercise 6.1. Question number 2. Record a question this. During a game, a dice was thrown 30 times. The outcomes of the dice were noted as. एक डायस से उसे 30 टाइम्स थ्रोन किया गया है और उसके जो आउटकम्स आ रहे हैं, जो उसके आउटकम्स है उस आउटकम्स को यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है, नोट किया है. ओके, ये नोटेड है उसके आउटकम्स. वी नो दैट अ डायस ऑफ आउटकम्स 1 to 6, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स ऑफ अ डायस इज इक्वल 6 लाइक एज 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And questions here, construct a frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table को हमें यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है according to question number 1, part A and part B, which outcomes occurs maximum number of times. इसमें से कौन सा outcomes है जो maximum times occurring हो रहा है. Okay, and next C part, which outcomes occurs in equal number of times. And इसमें से कौन से outcomes ऐसे हैं जो equal number of times turn in occur हो रहा है. And next D, how many times bit number 6 appear as the outcome. And यहाँ पर ये find out करवा रहा है कि 6 जो outcome है उसका dice का 6 ये इसमें कितने times appear करेगा. Okay, next, what is the difference between maximum and minimum number of outcomes. And यहाँ पे क्या find out करना है, difference maximum outcomes and minus. So then total number of outcomes of a dice. लूडो का जो डाइस होता है ना, वही डाइस है यहाँ पे. ओके, उसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितने होते हैं 1 to 6. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स ऑफ अ डाइस इज इक्वल 6 लाइक एज like as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Next, dash was through 30 times. Number of possible a dice thrown outcomes equal 30. Okay, so per day and frequency. Okay, so outcomes of the dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many times of one outcome of a dice? So given data, so only one time occurring is here. Okay, so frequency of one only one time. Okay, and 2, how many times of 2 outcome is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 2 6 times occurring here, and 3 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 4 7 times, and 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 8 and 6 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so total number of possible outcomes 1 6 7 7 4 11 11 7 18 18 8 26 26 4 30. Okay, so total number of possible outcomes is 30. Now we have to attempt the questions of regarding these questions. So which outcomes occur maximum number of times? Maximum number of times, this is 5. So B answer 5. Okay, maximum occurring outcome of a dice 8 times, this is 5. Okay, next C, which outcomes occur at equal number of times? Equal number of times 4 and 4. 4 this is 3. Okay, so see which outcomes occurs in equal numbers of times. So 4 3 and 4 times 6. So answer 3 and 6. Next, D part. How many times did number 6 appear as the outcome? How many times of 6? 6 this is, so 4 times. Okay, so D answer 4 times. 6 यहाँ कितने times occur हो रहा है? 4 times. Okay, so answer is 4 times. Next, what is the difference between maximum and minimum number of outcomes? Maximum number is 8 and minimum number is 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal 7. So maximum number 8 outcome of 5 and the minimum number 1 frequency 1 time. So difference equal 8 minus 1 is equal 7. Okay, I hope you are understand this question.